What's up, everybody? Good afternoon. We are ready for our part 2 adventure of the day. We're about to go to a pool party, and it's kind of like a rooftop pool party. It's our brother-in-law and sister-in-law's place. We are so excited to be able to hang out with them because we traveled so far and we're still here in, where are we at, Jay?
To Minnesota.
Yeah, we're still here in Minnesota. We're hanging out. We want to welcome you guys, and yeah, please join us. We're gonna have a great time. Let's go.
Yeah. No, I'm going to the pool.
Yo, what's up, guys? We are done with our party. It was a wonderful time. We are tired, as you guys can see. Evan is knocked out. Jesse is running around. That is it for today. We had such a great and busy and fun day with the family and friends, hanging out. Thanks for joining us. Join us next time. We out.